Hello everybody, today I have officially hit 2300 rating, and again I'm going to show you my game. It looks like we're going to play the same opening we played on the 250 rating video, so that's very good. But here in this game my opponent just plays better move. In the last game they played queen e7, which really was just useless. So in this variation, what I like about it is that I just get to have a center without double pawns, and I have nice, simple development. I also get two pair of bishops. The only downside is that this bishop is pinning this bishop, so I'm not unable to just play bishop d3 at the moment. Or maybe bishop d3, actually. I can play bishop d3 now, takes, but now I'm gonna have to end up with double pawns. And here he actually made a mistake, because now I just put my rook into the game and I gain some momentum. Rook g7, and now e4 e5 maybe. I mean, yeah, that's it. Now how do we defend? Do we move back or queen g4? Queen g4 looks so much better. Yeah, I feel like I have won already. Cool. So rook g8. Oh, and then we end up with, okay, cool, never mind. e4 e5. Yeah, let's just do e4 e5. If he's gonna long castle, then I'm gonna play e5, then bishop e5, then bishop g5. That's good about the Nimzo-Indian, right? That I have a lot of pawns in the center, and if my opponent loses control, then I can just break him. I have a very interesting game against the grandmaster in the Nimzo-Indian, so that's also a game with high potential of, having a video about it. So he's sacrificing his knight. Cool. Now what do I do? King d2 looks like the only option, and then king c2. And many of you might say that my king is not safe, but it actually is safe. And now he's attacking my f2 pawn. What do I do? Queen g3, I could exchange the queens, but why? Maybe just rook f7. Then rook f8, rook f8. Okay, maybe not. Maybe. That's a difficult one. Very difficult one. Yeah, I'm gonna take on f7. I want to exchange the pieces, so my king becomes a little bit safer. I can also try queen g7, to be honest. Queen g7, rook fg8, and queen f6. I just love games where my king is on the middle of the chessboard. It's just something, interesting. It just looks weird. My rook is underdeveloped, my bishop is not developed, but actually I'm doing fine. These double pawns, you might say it's a weakness, but they are a shield for my king. So now, probably king c2 or taking the rook. I'm gonna go with king c2. And queen d4. Take, he's gonna take, yeah? King c3, okay, we have very active king now. Bishop e3, and then I will force exchanging of the rooks, because rook f1 and then rook f8 checkmate. So we need to exchange. I block the h3 square, and then bishop f2. Or bishop g5, doesn't matter. Nice, we have won, so yeah, very interesting game. Or if we... what is gonna happen in this game? We haven't won yet. It's fighting for the center in the middle, in the end game. It's crazy. It's completely crazy. Very, very unique game. King c3. Take. And then let me... I mean, I don't want to... I cannot exchange the white square bishops because I need the white square bishop to get the king out of this square. What is gonna happen here? Bishop f4, bishop e3. Bishop d7. Yeah, he can just offer an exchange. Come on, bishop b5, play bishop b5. King b2 was useless. I can just give a check. I'm just gonna give a check, I have to. King c3. a4. Okay, he played a4. So bishop c4. Is it gonna be a draw or are we gonna win? Or am I gonna win? I'm gonna push the king forward. Bishop f2. Bishop d5, check, and now I want the d6 square. Okay, and now he's... Hey, because I'm gonna be losing this game in a minute. I mean, I need to continue trying. Bishop c2. King f4. Oh, I can take. I mean, king e3, attacking this pawn, taking this one. I think we have progressed. Bishop b3. I want to block out the king, attacking this pawn, and yeah, I have won the game. It's crazy. a4, king d4, bishop c4, king c5, a5. Let me just push forward. Yeah, but how do we actually... Is it winnable or not? It looks like it's not. It actually is. Yeah, bishop d7, bishop c8. Nice. GG. So what can I tell you? Nimzo-Indian is very good opening. I'm not gonna analyze this game. See ya in the 2350 video probably next week.